Here's a guide to integrate Zoom with Salesforce. First, go to your Salesforce account. On the upper right corner, click on Settings and choose Service Setup. Now click on Object Manager. Then on the right part, click Create and choose Custom Object. For the label, you can name it as Zoom Meeting, the same with plural label. Then scroll down and click on Save. Next, on the left side, click on Fields and Relationships, then click on New. Scroll down and look for date or time, choose it, and click Next. For the field label, name it as Zoom Start. Click Next on the upper right corner. Then check the box beside Visible and click Next and Save. We will make another one. Click on New. Scroll and look for date or time. Label it as Zoom End. Then just do the same. Click on New. Scroll and this time look for text. Now name it as Zoom Duration. For the length, type in any number. And click Next and do the same. Click on New again. This time look for URL. Name it as Meet Link and just do the same as the others. Now we all have the data we needed. Now go to your Zoom account, then schedule a meeting, fill all the details as you like, and click Save. We will now go to the integration part. For this integration, we need to use a third-party app. In this video, we will use Zapier. So go to your Zapier account, then click Create and choose Zaps. For Trigger 1, choose Zoom. On the Trigger event, choose New Meeting. Then connect your account and continue. For the meeting type, choose Meeting. For Trigger Scope, choose All New Meetings on my account and continue. Now test your trigger. Click on the meet you made by looking on its details. Then continue with the selected record. Now for Trigger 2, choose Salesforce. For Action Event, choose Create Record. Connect your account and continue. For Salesforce Object, search for the object you made earlier. For Owner Group, choose Content Author. For Owner, choose anything. Then on Zoom Meeting Name, click on Topic. For Zoom Start, choose Start Time. For Zoom End, choose the End Time. Then Duration for Zoom Duration. Last, choose the Zoom URL for Meet Link. Then continue. Now it's time to test step. Click on Publish. And now your Zoom is integrated in your Salesforce. If you go back to your home, you can see that your Zoom and Salesforce integration is on. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.